Hi everyone, Zoo Dude here with another virtual behind-the-scenes tour here at the Memphis Zoo as we continue to bring the zoo to you. Okay, today, komodo dragons and crocodile monitors. What do these two have in common? Let's find out. All right, so we're here with David, one of our reptile keepers. David, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm fantastic, thank you. I'm excited to talk to you about this. Komodo dragons, they're definitely a popular resident of ours. So David, you work with snakes, lizards, amphibians, our entire reptile collection. So we're talking about Komodo dragons, we're also talking about crocodile monitors. Tell me a little bit about the difference in those species.
So the first thing you'll notice with those two is their size. Komodo dragons get to 9 feet, but a full-grown male will be about 150 pounds. Whereas a crocodile monitor could maybe get to that 8-9 foot range, but a full-grown adult male will only be about 40 pounds. The crocodile monitors also have a much longer tail. They have this long whip-like tail that helps them move through the trees. That's the other big difference, is that crocodile monitors are tree climbers. They live in the canopies, whereas the dragons live in this hot, dry, deserty kind of environment.
Wow, very cool. All right, so how then are they similar, and then why is that important to us in what we're talking about today?
So they are similar in the fact that they are actually in the same family. They're in this family called Piranhidae, which is all the monitor lizards, and they're actually in the same genus. So they are closely related. They're very close cousins. So the reason that's important is we can use the crocodile monitor as a stand-in species to figure out how to artificially reproduce them, and then use those same techniques to reproduce dragons.
That's fascinating. So will we ever use that technique or technology that we discover from this on our own Komodo dragons here at the Memphis Zoo?
So that would be the idea in the future. Using these techniques, we wouldn't have to send animals from other zoos here or send our animals out. We could just collect semen at a different zoo and have it preserved and sent here. And we wouldn't have the stress of moving animals around. So that would be the goal in the future, is to use that. We currently are not using that though.
Okay, so in theory, we could have animals, you said, at completely different zoos. So we could have a male at another zoo and just females here, or vice versa, and just get a semen sample, do this technique, and theoretically produce animals. Is that you're saying that's the goal?
Yeah, that is the goal. And the other reason that's great is because dragon breeding can be kind of violent. They can be fairly aggressive towards each other. So it actually protects both animals from each other by doing this artificially.
Thanks, Dave. That's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time to talk with our viewers and me today. You guys are doing great work. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, thanks.
Thanks to David and the team. You play an important role in our mission of creating adventures, saving wildlife.